Hey everyone, in 2025, the Dreame H15 Pro Heat stands out among vertical cleaning vacuum cleaners, bringing a number of noteworthy advances together with the advantages of its predecessors. This model is intended for consumers who want ease, deep cleaning capabilities, and cutting-edge smart features. The new automated front curtain that is placed in front of the cleaning roller is the main innovation. Unlike many rival models that tend to drip or leave streaks, it functions as a flexible scraper that operates when the vacuum is pulled backward or during small pauses, leaving almost no wet residue behind. Its capability to clean floors with hot water and then use near boiling water to self-clean its roller is another amazing improvement. To ensure maximum edge reach, the cleaning module itself has a soft, fluffy roller that extends on both sides past the vacuum's frame. The management of water is also carefully considered. The H15 Pro Heat has two tanks, a multi-level dirty water tank with a sophisticated multi-stage filtration system that includes HEPA and an 800 milliliter pure water reservoir with a simple internal filter. Water levels are precisely monitored by electronic sensors, guaranteeing peak performance. In a bizarre reversal of convenience, this device does not have a separate detergent tank like some previous Dreame models had. 3 straightforward buttons for power, mode switching, and starting the self-cleaning procedure are located on the handle. Intelligent auto detection, hot water washing, liquid suction, and a user-customizable mode are the vacuum's 4 cleaning modes. The vacuum's 180-degree folding ability, which enables it to clean beneath furniture within only 13 centimeters of height clearance, is one of its mechanical highlights. Another advantage is the self-cleaning foundation. It takes only 5 minutes to complete the operation by heating water to 100 degrees Celsius for cleaning and blasting hot air to 90 degrees Celsius for quick roller drying. Odors and the chance of mold growth are reduced with this quick and efficient roller maintenance method. Taller side walls and splatter prevention barriers are further improvements to the base's design. The H15 Pro Heat performs admirably. It functions at a typical noise level of little over 71 decibels and has a suction power of 22,000 pascals, which is a substantial improvement over previous models. The vacuum took almost 6 minutes to completely remove dirt when tested on more stubborn stains, which is quicker than less expensive rivals, but marginally longer than the 5-minute standard. An additional degree of control is added by the Dreame app integration. Suction, water flow, roller temperature, and even steering motor sensitivity can all be changed by users. The vacuum may be moved remotely in its horizontal mode using a manual control option, albeit this may be more of a novelty than a need. Testing reveals that the H15 Pro Heat is a well-thought-out and complete device. Its strong and accurate cleaning capabilities, clever automation, excellent construction, and quick self-maintenance cycle are its key advantages. To sum up, the Dreame H15 Pro Heat is a definite advancement in its product range, more intelligent, effective, and potent than its predecessors. It will undoubtedly be one of the best vertical washing vacuums of 2025, ideal for conscientious consumers who want their floors cleaned with the least amount of work and the most technological assistance. It's a good investment and a formidable competitor in the flagship category, despite a few small errors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.